In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this page isn't working on BBC website. So if you're getting redirected and this has happened so many times and you can't access the page, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to close your browser and open it afresh, and you want to try and clear the browsing history, as this is the common cause for these redirects. To do that, go to these three lines on top here if you are using Google Chrome like me, and then go to settings. From settings, look for privacy and security option, and under it go for delete browsing data. Now here you want to choose the length of period you wish to clear the browsing data, so you can choose from the last 15 minutes all through to all time. For my case, I want to choose the last 24 hours, and then check the boxes below here to make sure you select all the data, including cached images and files, browsing history, and also cookies and other site data. Once you have checked them, proceed and click on delete data, and this will clear all the browsing data for your browser. Now open the browser afresh and now visit your BBC website, and everything should be working. You should be able to open pages without any issue. However, if you're still unable, then check and then see if you are using any VPN. This might be the reason you are experiencing this. Temporarily disable your VPN or uninstall it, and also check and see if you have any recently installed security app, uninstall it, and now everything should be okay. However, if you still have a challenge at this point, then most likely the problem might be with BBC servers. For that, you'll need to wait for some few minutes and check if you have a stable internet connection. And now if you go to any page, you should be able to access it without any issue on BBC website. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.